This
Guys,
conference will now be recorded.
have you gone through those videos? In last class, I given few videos, right? Hello, guys. Please, you have to go through them at any cost. Kubernetes ఇంకా చాలా ఉంది guys మేము నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది. Still there are so many things. Everything we can't make it in class. ఓకే ఇంకా నెల రోజులు చెప్పినా సరిపోదు అంత పెద్ద టాపిక్ ఇది Kubernetes. Can you go to DevOps class notes? Yeah. Okay. So my Google Notes has huge notes, guys. Please try to use that notes. DevOps class notes. I'm not able to control your screen actually.
I don't know what happened. I couldn't click on that.
Mm, I think you haven't logged. Can you check you logged in or not? If you logged in, okay
Yeah,
then
I'm
let
not.
me share. Can you ping me that URL to me in the group chat?
Sure.
In the, so this weekend full work guys for you. Okay, so please make it. There are number of things you have to learn in DevOps or in Kubernetes. So all these questions you should know the answers, guys. So maybe I covered half of the things, but still there are so many. Along with, okay, can I edit this?
Mm.
Okay. So all these questions you should be able to answer. Maybe I'll add few more. Just a minute. Let me download. Also, I'll give one project also, guys, here. Do you know how to edit this, guys? How can I edit this? Can I edit directly?
You can edit
Yeah,
directly if you have the
yeah,
access.
yeah. I'm able to.
Mhm.
So I'll give multiple questions, guys. Generally, what questions we are they ask in interview? Okay, that questions I'm writing here. 1, 2, 3. Liveness, readiness, startup probes. So guys, we call them as health checks. Okay, we can set up these health checks. Actually, do you know you cannot create EC2, sorry, a normal like CentOS or what I can say Ubuntu pods. Can you try to create once, Prudvi? Can you please create a normal by using the CentOS contain image? Can you try to create a pod?
And the cops master.
Hmm. Anywhere. Try to create a pod deployment with normal CentOS or Ubuntu. kubectl create deployment name. I hope in last class we discussed about the architecture. So everybody you are comfortable with architecture also now, right? Which component is for which purpose? Image equals to CentOS. So guys, in real time, what we do mean we have separate Docker host. There only we'll develop the images. Those customized images only we use in Kubernetes. Can you run kubectl get deployments and get pods? Actually, it won't run. Why? Because by default, health checks will be there, guys. Liveness and readiness health check. Okay, now see, it will keep on restart. Can you run kubectl describe pod name? Anything pending or problem, how to troubleshoot. This is the command, guys. kubectl describe pod name. kubectl describe pod name. Hmm. Okay, here what is happening means, guys, normal without application you cannot create the container or pod in Kubernetes. Why? Because there are by default health checks available. Liveness, readiness. What is liveness means? Liveness will check the application status in the container. Okay, now if no application or application is not running, it will keep on try to restart your container. So that is what crash loop backup, guys. If the container is in, so this is interview question. What is crash loop backup? If the container is keep on restarted, that is called as crash loop backup. Why it is happen? Like as I told, if the application has some problem, okay, now your container is expecting something, or application configuration issue, application is not running. Okay, so maybe out of resource, CPU, memory, this many reasons, crash loop backup. So here health checks will be there, health probes. We call it as health probes. Okay, now. So liveness will check the application status. And if no content, if the application is not running, container will be keep on restarted. And readiness means once the application is there, whether you are able to serve the traffic or not. Traffic flow unda leda. Okay, now it is able to, customer is able to access the application or not. That is what readiness. Okay, na? So these are the, so just try to do some R&D about this health probes. The difference between cordon and brain. So guys, I told you service account, right? Have you gone through it, guys? Chusera access, how to provide access to your Kubernetes cluster. Anybody? Have you gone through it? Hello, guys. Anybody? Have you tested it? I given one link to you last class. How to set up the service account, how to provide access to cluster role means entire cluster access, guys. And only role means particular namespace access. Okay, next. Yeah. So these are the, even I will add more questions also to you. Please go through with them, guys. Can you see is the latest, is it updated from your end also? Or should I do anything?
No, but
Ludwig,
actually, I think it will get out a bit.
can you check
It
that
should be.
once?
From my end, I think it's not. It's kicking me out of the server for some reason. That's the reason I
Okay.
couldn't click on that. So,
Ludwig, can you check that latest update is there?
uh,
Open the file and check it. Reopen it. Close it and
yeah,
open it.
I tried to reopen my Google Drive completely, but it's saying the server encountered an error. So I
Ah.
think that's the reason I couldn't click on that.
And guys, one project I'm going to give to you. Okay, next to 2 days, please you have to work on the Google task as well as this project also. Hmm. Okay, one very good example for real-time deployment, guys. Okay, now he clearly explained how to set up one application along with the database in 3 ways. One is standalone application, means directly on top of EC2 instance. The same application how to set up in its Docker. Okay, and the same setup how to set up in Kubernetes. Okay, now so total 3 ways he explained, guys. Just a minute. So guys, please make sure that this very good example, guys. He clearly explained. First, don't implement it. Okay, now first read this entire website 10 times, not one time. Guys, just a minute. Okay, so multiple times go through this website, read it properly, understand this website completely. Okay, now మొత్తం ఒక 10-15 times read it. Then after only implement it. Okay, now. So of course you don't need to understand these commands and all. These are application related tasks. Okay, now ఇది application related file మనది కాదు. But he will explain you what is this file, why we are using, where to keep this file and all. Okay, now first read this document properly, understand it. Okay, then after implement it. So as I told, total three ways he explained. One is with normal. See, until here normal EC2 instance. Okay, now so how to deploy? Then after, now this is for container. The same application, how to set up in container, and the same application, how to deploy into Kubernetes. Total three ways he explained, guys. One very good example. Okay, now once you have the Docker ready, he is showing how to make it in Kubernetes also. See, please read this carefully. Understand the subject, what he is doing, where he is doing. In one shot, definitely you cannot understand. అంత ఈజీ ఏం కాదు ఇది. ఓకేనా? నో ప్రాబ్లం. స్పెండ్ అ హోల్ డే కావాలంటే. Spend the whole day. Try to understand. Read number of times. ఓకేనా? The whole website. రాసుకోండి మీకు ఏమర్థమైందో. What you understand, write it down. ఓకేనా? Read it multiple times. Then after, start the setup. So that you'll get clarity what he is doing. Okay, so this is the document, guys. In deployment Node.js MongoDB, right? This is the document. Here you have the link actually. Okay, this is the link. Okay, this is the link, and make sure that by Monday you should work on all these questions along with this setup also. And like yesterday I given the few videos, right? Those also you have to set up. Those again clearly explained. I will explain about ingress, don't worry. The video which I given to you, right? Ingress service, what is ingress and all I will explain. Okay, yeah, I hope you understood what I am expecting. Yeah, now go ahead, Prudvi, share your
Yeah.
screen.
Mhm.
Yeah, log into your hmm. Okay, so in today's class we will see how to work with this NFS. Okay, so have you exported NFS already? How to check that? Export. Can you give me control? Export FS. Yeah, it is exported. Can you open? So can you please open a paint session? So here what I am doing, this is Corps master, this is Kubernetes master. This is Kubernetes master. This is your worker nodes. It doesn't matter how many worker nodes you have, okay na? 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, and this is your NFS server. From AWS, you attached one hard disk to this server, okay na? And here, with the help of NFS application, okay now that folder, whatever the file system you created, you exported to all. So all means the same folder I can access it here also, and even I can access it into this work, other work, same folder. Now let me show you, okay now how to access that. Can you please open 8049 port number, sorry, 2049 in NFS as well as worker nodes also. 2049. Why? Because okay, this folder is sorry, this works on NFS. NFS protocol is 2049.
I think for the worker nodes, the all traffic is given.
No. All traffic given for particular security group. U8.
Okay.
In NFS node also do the same thing.
Yeah, the NFS was given already.
Okay. Now can you please log into your worker node? Now I will show you. No, directly you cannot connect. From
Yeah.
COPS only
I
you will
don't have the
connect.
key, right?
Can you log into COPS master? Okay, so first connect to, yeah, now do SSH hyphen I. Wait. Do you have the suggestion?
Yes, I do have the suggestion.
So many suggestions. So guys, while creating itself, you got the suggestion how to connect to master and slave missions. Maximize it. Not this one. This suggestion I need. I need
Yeah.
the
Okay. Anyways, we have that in the notepad.
always the best practice is save them somewhere whenever you get the suggestion.
So, yes. Yeah. This is the one, right?
Yeah,
This
copy
for
that.
the
This is for master, okay?
master. Yeah.
We no need to log into master. Wait, because I need in worker node, right?
Yes.
Can I have the worker node private IP address? Sorry, public IP address.
Yeah.
Enter. Okay, I'm in the worker node now. Okay, now actually guys, this step is not required. What I am doing now, only మీకు normal in normal Linux box how to access our NFS storage I am showing. Okay, now but this step is not required at all. What I am doing now, what I am going to do now, right? This is not required. Only I'm just showing you how NFS works. Normal NFS. This is normal Linux uh, concept, guys. This NFS is okay now. So let me show you. First, let me create one folder. It can be same folder or any folder. Okay now. Now mount that NFS should be there here also. But I think it is by default available. Let's see, if not available, we'll install it. Okay. The NFS server IP address, public IP address. Get the public IP address of the NFS server. What is the folder name they exported? Slash app, right? Yeah, good. See guys, now that slash app folder is accessible to me from that server. Now can you do the same thing in second server also? The second worker node. Wait. Actually, this step not required. Okay, na. Only I'm showing just for practice purpose. Can you log into NFS server? Actually, we have to give full permissions. Chmod. Actually, this step not required. What I am doing now, mounting is not required. The only మీకు చూపించడానికి NFS ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది. See, the same storage now I am able to access here. See, whatever I created here, it will be available there in my NFS storage. This is how NFS works. Now the same storage I can see in anywhere, guys. If I can access it anywhere, wherever I have access. Can you log into the second worker node also same way? Exit first. Same command. Can you log into the second worker node? Actually, this step is not required, as I told. Only to verify how NFS is working, I am showing this. Mount -t NFS file system type. The public IP address of the server, NFS server. Colon, you missed a colon. Then here in which folder you want to map it. See guys, same data I can see. This is how NFS works. Shared storage, guys. Logically, we are sharing the folders. Okay, na? over the network from one server to another server. So this is how our NFS works. Okay, na guys? This is how our NFS works. Actually, this step not required. So I'm unmounting them because I have to do it in Kubernetes level, not in server level, right? So I unmounted. This is the command to unmount. This is to mapping. This is to unmapping. In first worker node also I will do it now. So df-h, right? Let me unmap it. Okay. Server level I removed because correct. You mount it. Yeah. Okay. Now server level I removed. Now how to make it in Kubernetes level? So guys, Kubernetes directly cannot take that NFS. I have to create a PV, guys. PV from the PV by using that NFS storage. Then only it can take the control. Otherwise, it cannot take that control. Okay, now let's take the PV. Let's create a PV. Can you go to my Google Drive once? Hmm, here, my PV.txt. What happened?
I don't know. There's something problem here with the Google Drive. I couldn't open. I'm keeping on getting the same thing. Limit on. Limit on. Is this the one or other one?
My PV.
Okay.
Copy and create that file in. It is YAML file actually in your Linux box.
Mm,
So as I told, what is the PV, guys? What is PV?
Persistent volume.
Exactly. Why I need that? Hmm? So why
To
I
expand
need
Create the
Kubernetes.
volumes.
PV? So guys, here I cannot use any storage to my pods directly. Okay, now so pod level volumes I have to create means first I should create a PV. Then after only I can use it as a volume. Copy this, create a YAML file in your system. Say what is your deployment? Maybe okay. So pv.yml, pv.yml, insert mode, copy paste as it is, and change your NFS server details and the folder name also. Which folder you exported? Slash app, right?
Yes, sir.
Change. You haven't changed it.
Oh, sorry.
Open the server.
Is this a public IP?
Yes.
Sure.
And what is the folder name you mapped slash app, right?
Yes.
Give slash app.
Do we need to change this to 10 GB or just to?
10 GB. Make it 10 GB.
Test big volume. Okay. That should be it, Amar.
Enough. Save this.
Okay. And I think we do have different access modes, right? Here we gave
Yeah.
read write menu.
Can you go to my Google Drive once?
Mhm.
Here, Feb 520 document. Search with modes.
Okay.
Control F.
I think that's not gonna
Mode.
reload.
MODE.
Yeah.
Enter.
Some problem, I think. Let me download this as well. Yeah. Yes, Amar. So
So see here. Read write once means the volume can be mounted as read write by single node only from one node, because here example your pods are available in one, your replicas are running in two worker nodes. So in the two worker nodes you have the volume, right? Same volume. So guys, from multiple time, from multiple places, if you read means okay, but write if you do at the same time, there will be chances for corruption. Every application won't support that. Okay, na. So only database, there will be some techniques actually. Here we have to give for database. It depends on the application type. Okay, na. Generally we'll give read write. Many means the volume can be mounted read only by many nodes. Read write many means the volume can be mounted as a read write by many nodes. Okay, now so this doesn't support by every node, every application. It depends on our application. For database, we give this. Okay, but normal applications it won't support. Means read write many means from both the worker nodes, they can be able to access it and write it and read it. That is what this meaning. Okay, now there are different types of modes based on your requirement you can give, but as of now, yeah, follow it. Let's create a PV. kubectl, apply -f. Now kubectl get PV. Okay. Now create PVC. So what is PVC, guys? What is PVC means? So once you have the now Now Kubernetes has the control over the storage. Okay, now so I cannot read directly. I cannot take that storage now. First, I have to create a PVC. PVC stands for persistent volume claim. Okay, na? Let's create a PVC now from the volume. So, enta kavali neeku? Partition, guys. I can say PVC stands for partitions. Okay, na? So, PVC stands for partitions within the PV. PV లో partition చేస్తే PVC అవుతుంది. So, take 1 GB or 2 GB. Now, save it. Now, get PVC. Okay. See, it is
Oh,
bounded now. Now,
okay, so
guys, in Kubernetes level, I got the partition also. Now I can create a volume. Okay. Can you go
so
to
Amar, what does this capacity mean? Why does it show 10 gigabits?
actually it's NFS, right? It will take
Okay.
how much it needs. Like even though you give 1 GB, if
Mm-hmm.
example that PVC is full, it will take
Mm-hmm.
whatever storage you
Is
have in
available.
NFS.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's allocate this PV to my deployment. Can you open my Google Drive once? Dep1.txt. So guys, here up to here already you know that, right? Any questions here up to here? So here what I did, first I created volumes from the PVC. Guys, మళ్ళీ నేను వాల్యూమ్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి మళ్ళీ పీవీసీ డైరెక్ట్ గా వాడలేను. Okay, is it component for which sub component? The volume is specification sub component.
Yeah.
Okay, na? So I'm creating a volume called demo hyphen. నీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన పేరు ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. This is my PVC name. This is my volume name. So I created a volume and inside a container volume mount. See guys, ఇదే volume I mounted as slash demo 3. Now can you create your container? So pod.
Yeah, sure, Amar.
Wait. Actually, little syntax problem here. Can you check where is the problem? Can you tell me? ఇక్కడ problem ఉంది. Guys, ఇందులో exactly spec
Yeah, the
also.
kind and metadata. Yeah, and the
Spec
spec. Yeah.
also.
Yeah, they should be mapping the API version.
Exactly. Yeah, save this. Yeah. No, it's not yet created. Oh, yeah, yeah, it's created. This one only, right? Nginx deployment. This one only, right? Just now I created.
Yes,
See, can you scale up? Can you create replicas also? Only one here it is running only one part. kubectl scale, kubectl scale, deployment name, hyphen replicas equals to 3. Hyphen replicas equals to 3. Yeah, now kubectl get pods hyphen override. Okay, see, the deployment name is this one, not this one. Your pod is this one. Your deployment name is Nginx deployment.
yeah. Okay.
Delete for dep one. Delete the
Yeah.
deployment one completely. kubectl
Oh,
delete. kubectl delete deployment one. Deployment. Delete deployment name you have to give. Hmm.
okay. Now,
Now scale this one.
yeah.
Hmm. So see, in one worker node we have one pod, but you will have the common storage now, the volume. Every pod. Can you how to log into the pod from here? kubectl execute exec. Actually, you have to open one port number. I think it will be open. Let's see. Hyphen IT, and your pod name. Same similar Docker command, guys. Hyphen space /bin/bash. Hmm. Enter. Yeah. Now you're inside the pod. Inside this first pod, which is running in this worker node. CD demo 3. Your what is your folder name? /demo 3, right? Can you check CD/demo 3? Do ls. So generally, guys, this folder we use it application folder. Here example I given demo 3. It depends on application. Okay, na. So if it is Jenkins, you have one folder. If it is HTTPD, you should know that folder you have to use it as a volume. Okay, na. Yeah. Now see, can you log into the second part? Exit from the first part. Exit. Here also same folder. See guys, second part running in different worker node. There also you can see the same data. Now try third part. Create something here. Wait, create something here. Touch. See. Now exit. Now log into the third part. See guys. So this is how we'll discuss, guys. Okay. Did you understand, guys, how storage is working?
Yes, Samar.
Okay. So this is how common storage we use. Same, similar to Docker volume. Here Kubernetes PV, PVC. Okay. I hope you are clear how it is working.
Yes.
Okay, na? Yeah, great. Yeah. So I think it is enough for today. And make sure that, guys, you complete your things without fail. Whatever the documents which I given, videos. Okay, now please work on it, guys. It is your responsibility to set up the things. Okay, guys. Then we'll meet on Monday class. Okay. Yeah. Okay, then, guys. Yeah. Bye.